Hi there, DIYers and preppers. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the E-Ready Emergency Crank Radio. So let's get started. So I picked this up off of Amazon. Can't remember exactly what I paid, but I'll send the links down below and you can check it out. But let's go ahead and get started here. So of all the different radios I looked at, this one seemed to be the best because it had the most features, and we'll get into that once we get this opened up here. So set that to the side for a minute. Looks like it comes with a little just an operator manual, and then this looks like maybe some warranty information. It's got a FEMA recommended checklist. You can also go to FEMA's website and they have a like disaster ready kit that they recommend for you to have on hand, and I recommend you check that out. It's got some pretty good information on there just to be prepared for different types of disasters. And I guess it's just got a quick start guide. So set that stuff off this side. And we got, let's see here, it's like a USB cable, and it's the micro USB. So it's USB on one end and micro USB on that side. And then the little radio itself. So that's the features on this. Let me go ahead and peel this sticker off. I always like to do that. So it's got solar power. So I have to check, see exactly how long it takes for it to give a charge. But I do know that like 3 minutes worth of hand cranking will give you roughly like 3 hours of use. And looks like there's a hand crank. Yeah, I think you can crank it either way. And it's got, this is the rechargeable battery that is charged by either the solar power or the hand crank, and then you can also put in looks like 6 AA batteries to power it as well. So it's got some versatility there as far as that goes. And of course it's got a handle, it's got a pull-out antenna, and then let's see what all, oh, it's got a flashlight, I think, as well as it's got an alarm. So we'll go through all the features it has on it. Let me just read from the box here. So it says emergency crank radio, portable power, strobe flashlight, and weather alert. It says crank or solar power backup. Charges cell phones, tablets, and more. So I guess on, let's see, this is for something. Well, that's just push button. So here's a little flip up. So it's got, looks like you can use an AC power adapter to it. It's got the USB, and then the micro USB. And it's got a switch here from, to switch from the lithium charge rechargeable to the AA. So if you're going to use an AA, you have to flip that switch in order to use the power from it. And then of course it's all water resistant. I don't know if waterproof. We'll see what it says in there. And anyway, this had the most features out of all the different radios, and you know, for the money, I think it's going to be well worth it. But let's see what else we got here on the back. Some of the features. So it says, for over half century, Midland has helped keep you and your loved ones safe by actively promoting emergency preparedness. So it's got the emergency threats it'll give you alerts for is tornadoes, floods, thunderstorms, fires, and earthquakes. And so the features extra long life, lithium battery, lithium ion, and then of course you can use the 6 AA batteries. It's got an ultrasonic dog whistle in it for help for search and rescue, and it's got a Cree LED flashlight with SOS beacon, so it'll do the SOS on it. It's a brightly, extremely bright, 130 lumens, activates Morse code for emergency assistance. It's also has the all hazards NOAA weather radio, so it'll give you all the different alerts from the National Oceanic, whatever that AA stands for. So, I think at this point I'll go ahead and pull the battery block there, and see, turn it on here. See on the band, so it's got AM, FM.
Miles an hour. Asheville, it was cloudy. 4 degrees. Lows around 20. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s.
So it's just putting out weather information on the WX band. So it's got AM, FM, and the WX band. And I guess you can have the WX alert on, so if anything does come in, it'll automatically alert you. Otherwise,
this broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Peachtree City and 62.5 megahertz.
So it looks like
the temperature was 34 degrees.
You can get several different bands of weather alerts. Looks pretty good. Now the question is, how would you shut this off? Here's the light. There's doing the SOS. Now it's back off. Okay. So that's all good. I guess to power it off, I would just switch it over to the AA. Yep. So there you have it. So if you don't have some type of a emergency radio, I highly recommend you pick one up. And this one in particular has all of the features that you could possibly need. You know, because if you run out of batteries, you can just sit there and hand crank it up. You're going to be able to charge your cell phone and any other little USB portable device. And yeah, get yours today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below. And I'll see you on the next one.